The flu season is getting worse, and health officials are warning, watch out.
The flu is prevalent in every single state of the continental United States.
The Centers for Disease Control says well over 14,000 people have been hospitalized with the bug since the season began. That's double last year's number and the highest recorded since the government started tracking it in 2010.
The types of symptoms we're seeing for the flu would be a dry cough, muscle aches, fevers, chills, sometimes a headache, sore throat, usually a quick onset of these symptoms.
At least 53 children have died from the flu, including 16 last week. 7-year-old Savannah Jessie of Indiana tested positive for the flu. She died just one day after being rushed to the hospital.
Everybody is devastated. You'd never expect it to happen to you.
To stop the spread, some schools are shutting down for days at a time. This Catholic school in Illinois closed its doors after more than a quarter of its students got sick. In Alabama, the Marshall County School District closed after students and staff became ill.
It's an airborne problem. When they're coughing, sneezing, or even talking, it's when they're spreading this.
One piece of good news, this season's flu shot targets the very strains that are making everyone sick. It's why authorities are still pushing the vaccine, even though it's no guarantee.
You reduce your chance of getting the flu by about a third. So that's, not zero. What is a 0% protection is not getting a vaccine.
Doctors also recommend avoiding people with the flu because they can breathe the virus out in particles that hover in the air. They suggest washing your hands frequently since the virus can live on hard surfaces up to a day. Also, strengthening your immune system with probiotics, sleep, and stress management. Most flu seasons last up to 20 weeks. Authorities say this season could still have several more to go. Heather Sells, CBN News.